Crypto Market Update, June 20th, 2025. The crypto market is taking a breath today after a strong start to June. Bitcoin is hovering around $103,500, with slight downward pressure after reaching an intraday high of $106,000. Overall, the market is consolidating as investors weigh macroeconomic signals, geopolitical tensions, and growing regulatory clarity. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is showing signs of strength, despite a small dip of around 0.5% in the past 24 hours. Traders are watching the $104K support zone closely, with the next major resistance expected at $110K. The Fed's decision to hold interest rates steady, paired with hints of possible cuts later this year, is fueling cautious optimism in the broader market. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions, particularly between Iran and Israel, continue to cause ripple effects across global markets. A massive $100 million hack on Iran's largest exchange, Nobitex, has added a layer of uncertainty, though Bitcoin remains surprisingly resilient. Let's turn the spotlight to XRP. Today, it's trading right around $2.11. Confidence in XRP is still riding high, especially after Ripple scored some partial wins against the SEC in court. The legal battle isn't over yet, but momentum seems to be shifting in Ripple's favor. And adoption? It's definitely picking up speed. Ripple's making big moves in global payments, especially with central bank digital currency partnerships across Asia and the Middle East. That's helping to lock in its long-term value. Right now, analysts are keeping a close eye on the $2.30 resistance level. Ethereum, ETH, is holding near $2,480, down about 0.4% today. The asset is relatively quiet, waiting for stronger moves from Bitcoin or clearer ETF developments. Solana, SOL, is faring better, up around 1.5% today, fueled by optimism around the upcoming Firedancer validator upgrade that could massively improve scalability. Cardano, ADA, has taken a breather, currently down about 2.5%, trading around 58 cents. Still, it remains up significantly year-to-date. Key market influencers, geopolitical tensions. The conflict between Iran and Israel is still looming, but has cooled slightly. The Nobitex hack sparked temporary chaos but hasn't derailed the market. Federal Reserve policy. The Fed's recent pause on rate hikes, combined with suggestions of possible cuts later this year, has helped stabilize risk-on assets like crypto. U.S. crypto regulation. The Senate's passage of the Genius Act, targeting stablecoin regulation, is being viewed as a major win for industry clarity. It could pave the way for broader institutional adoption. Low-volume accumulation phase. The total crypto market cap is sitting at $37 trillion with daily trading volume around $66 billion, an unusually low figure. This could signal investor hesitation or quiet accumulation before a major move. Bull run predictions. Looking ahead, many analysts still believe we're in the early innings of a broader bull run. If Bitcoin can break above $110K and hold, we may see a sharp move to $120K or beyond by year-end. For XRP, a decisive breakout above 60 cents could trigger a rapid climb towards 75 cents, 90 cents, especially if its utility narrative continues to strengthen. Solana and Ethereum also stand to benefit from increased network adoption and regulatory clarity. Final word. The crypto market may be cooling off in the short term, but the fundamentals remain strong. With inflation pressures easing, potential Fed rate cuts, clearer U.S. regulation, and improved global sentiment, the second half of 2025 could see the next explosive leg of this bull run. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum. They'll likely lead the charge.